Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zoho to WordPress. We will explore several effective strategies to link these powerful platforms. You will discover how to streamline your business operations by integrating your customer relationship management with your website. This guide will help you capture leads more efficiently and manage customer interactions directly from your WordPress site, ensuring a cohesive digital experience for your visitors and your team. The most straightforward method involves using the official Zoho CRM plugin for WordPress. You can easily find and install this plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, you will need to authenticate it with your Zoho CRM account. This setup allows you to automatically push data from your WordPress forms, like contact forms or newsletter signups, directly into your Zoho CRM as new leads or contacts, saving valuable time and reducing manual data entry. Another effective way to integrate is by embedding Zoho forms directly onto your WordPress site. First, design your custom forms within the Zoho Forms application, tailoring them to your specific data collection needs. Then, simply generate the embed code provided by Zoho Forms. You can paste this code into any WordPress page, post, or widget area, allowing visitors to submit information that flows directly into your Zoho account without needing an additional plugin. For more complex or custom integration needs, consider advanced options. Tools like Zapier can automate workflows between Zoho and WordPress, connecting hundreds of applications with pre-built zaps. Alternatively, if you have specific development expertise, you can leverage Zoho's robust API to build a completely custom integration. This allows for highly tailored data synchronization and extends connectivity beyond just CRM, linking other Zoho applications like books or campaigns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.